वो भी नहीं खुलेगी। नहीं खुलेगा सर, नहीं खुलेगा। चलो चलो, जिसको जो डाउट है पूछो फटाफट। There is nothing to discuss from my side. I completed the syllabus, did the revision. Now, if you have doubt, get them cleared. I don't have anything to teach you. जिसको जो डाउट है पूछ लो। क्या हुआ, किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है? डाउट नहीं है तो अटेंडेंस लेते हैं, बंद करते हैं क्लास, आराम करेंगे। तुम लोग भी आराम करो, हम भी करेंगे। और अगर डाउट है, यस, हु हैव रेज्ड द हैंड, अनम्यूट एंड टॉक।
I have a
Unmute and
doubt.
yeah, what is that?
Write a program to accept a word and remove the duplicate characters in it.
It is not in your syllabus. It is not in your syllabus. Anybody else have any other doubt? Ask something that is in your syllabus, not outside the syllabus. I can make, but what is the use if I make it? Yeah. Anyone else?
Sir, what is method? What is method invocation?
Method invocation, Anupama, it is also not in your syllabus, but we can discuss it. Now, a method invocation means calling a method. Now, what is a method is? Method is a named block of code. Method is a named block of code. For example, we had written a lot of codes. हम लोग बहुत सारे codes लिखे हैं ना. Just I'm showing you. Just I'm showing you what is a method. Let us understand that first. Then we can understand what is method invocation. Okay. Now see here. Just opened it. You can see all that time we had used this statement. Till now, whatever program we had written, we had always used this particular statement, isn't it? So instead of using this statement, if we use this becomes a method. Now see, I'm compiling. You can observe there is no syntax error. Sorry, but we had not used the public static void main. Now this becomes a method. ये बन गया एक मेथड. ठीक है. Now कमर अहमद बाहर जाओ. If you cannot control your mic properly, I'll keep you out of the class. हमको दिखता है कौन बात कर रहा है, हम बाहर कर देंगे. Just now I said Kamal out, Kamar Ahmed. Now see here, जो चीज हम लोग बात कर रहे थे अनुपमा, this becomes a method. Sir, can we execute it? Yes, we can execute it. Now see here, I'm closing it. This is first 50 even 1. So this is the one. Now see here, you don't get the option of void main to execute it. Now if we click on this, अगर इस पे क्लिक करते हैं तो यही एक चीज दिख रहा है जिस पे हम लोग क्लिक करके एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं. If we click on it, instead of getting executed, you can see there is no output visible. There is no output visible. कोई output नहीं आया, कोई terminal window नहीं आया. You may be, someone may be thinking, sir, झांसा दे रहा है. See here, I'm clear. They are only on the BlueJ, and there is no output. Instead of that, we get a small box over here. See here. फिर से देखो. I'm removing it. हट गया. We click on this. Right click. Click. Now what is this says? Create object. This says create object. So we are creating the object and the object appears here. Can we execute that particular part? Yes. Now you can see here is void mains. Execute it. You can see the output window now, isn't it? So now what happens? What we did is, this is the method, but this, to execute this particular program, we need to create a object first, then we need to execute the method. Now when we execute the method, that is actually termed as method call. Sir, isn't there any other way that we can execute this program as we did the others? Yes, obviously. So once again, we have to use this one. Now we need to create the object. This is the statement to create object. What I had written just now, this is the statement to create the object. Now we need to invoke the method. And what is that method is? The method is mains. So we dot mains. Okay. Now compile, no error found, close it, and now you click on void main to get the output. So where is the method invocation? The method invocation is here. This statement is method invocation. Anupama, थोड़ा बहुत समझ आया, पूरा तो नहीं आएगा, आई एम वेरी श्योर, because it is beyond your discussion or the part what you had understood till now. Methods are there in the next term. अगले सेशन में हम लोग मेथड्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. आफ्टर द फर्स्ट टर्म एग्जामिनेशन we will be understanding methods, what are methods, how to use, how to call, how to invoke them, how to, there are types of methods, सारा हम लोग अगले सेशन में पढ़ेंगे. अनुपमा, somehow is it did I, your doubt is clear?
Sir, there is a question. Identify which of the statement is method invocation.
Okay, so it is not in your syllabus yet, in the first term syllabus. In your first term syllabus, you have only up to conditional construct. ठीक है, आप लोग का जो syllabus है, let me, I think all of you have the syllabus book with you, ICSE syllabus book. I'm showing you. ये वाले book है सबके पास, है ना? So in this book, your syllabus will be this is class 10. Class 9 का कहाँ गया? Once again, this is class 10. Yes, according to this book, if you have the book open, then it would be 1, introduction to object-oriented programming concept, 2, elementary concept of objects and classes, 3, variables and data types, 4, operators in Java, and 5, input in Java is there, because every question will now take inputs, and then 7, conditional construct in Java. तो ये 6 सेक्शन आप लोगों को करना है. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. I'm not talking about your book. I'm talking about this one. This book, my syllabus book, because different books have different content, but the syllabus is same. That is the syllabus of ICSE, and we have to follow that syllabus. Okay. There is no method this time. Okay, anyone else have any other doubt?
Sir, one more doubt.
Yeah.
Write Java statement to create an object MP4 of class digital.
Once again, Anupama, you can see I had already created the statement to create an object over here. But once again, Anupama, this is not in your syllabus this term. हम बोल रहे हैं ना कि वो सारा जो है वो सेकंड टर्म में हम लोग जैसे ही मेथड्स पढ़ेंगे, जैसे ही मेथड स्टार्ट करेंगे वो सारा चीज आएगा. अभी नहीं है, फॉर द टाइम बीइंग इट इज नॉट देयर. Still, what you had asked for, Anupama, can you repeat the question, the name of the class?
Write Java statement to create an object MP4 of class digital.
MP4 of class musical, isn't it? So the statement would be, I'll be writing on the screen. You can see that my screen is visible. So musical, this is the name of the class, and the object name is MP4 equals to new musical. This would be the statement. This would be the statement. Okay. Anupama, Clear? It is not in your
Yes,
syllabus
sir.
now. It is not in the syllabus now. Okay. So don't bother about them. Yeah. Anybody else? Jeez. 25 जन आया, 25 जन आया 9 में. Yeah, nobody have any other doubt? Speak out, speak out. आज स्वर्ण प्रकाश नहीं है क्या? स्वर्ण प्रकाश, so silent today?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't have any doubt. Okay, let me take the attendance.
No,
then. Okay then. Let me take the attendance. First one is Nishant. Nishant Kumar Singh. And then we have Akanksha Kumari. Akanksha Kumari. Anupama Thakur. Then Adarsh Raj. Adarsh Raj. Then comes Aditya. अनुपमा हो गई है. आयन अहमद, MD आयन अहमद. आयन अहमद हो गया. Then we have दया शंकर. दया शंकर, दिलखुश कश्यप, इशिका सिंह. इशिका सिंह. इसके बाद है प्रीति राज. प्रीति राज. बस ये जो है 11/5 के बाद आ जा रहा है, 3.5 महीना बाद. क्या जरूरत था प्रीति? तुमको सब आता है, क्या जरूरत था क्लास आने का? अटेंडेंस जो हम ले रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से 11/5, उसके बाद 3/8 को. कुमार अभिषेक, देन कुमारी कनक, देन वी हैव मयंक कुमार. मयंक कुमार. इसके बाद है, इनके बाद है कमर अहमद. कमर, माइक्रोफोन ऑन करके क्या कर रहा था जिसके चलते तुम बाहर गया?
सर हमको नहीं पता सर, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम कैसे बाहर हो गए थे.
जो भी हो, कैमरा माइक्रोफोन ऑन क्यों करेगा अनलेस यू हैव सम डाउट. ओके, सो कनक के बाद है मयंक कुमार का हो गया ना? मयंक हो गया. कमर अहमद हो गया. मोहनदास. मोहनदास के बाद प्राची. आज प्राची चुपचाप बैठी हुई है. प्राची. प्रतीक आर्यन. क्या? प्रेमजीत. प्रेम टुडू. प्रिंस कुमार. अब है राजनंदिनी. राजनंदिनी. राशि गुप्ता. देन श्रेया. श्रेया. श्रेया के बाद है स्वर्ण प्रकाश. हो गया, सबका हो गया. किसी का मिस हुआ होगा तो पूछ लो, देखते हैं. ओके फाइन. डू एनीबॉडी हैव एनी अदर डाउट? किसी को कोई भी डाउट हो, जो सिलेबस में है वो हम लोग बस डिस्कस कर लेंगे, और जो सिलेबस के बाहर होगा बता देंगे, सिलेबस में नहीं है. और साथ ही अगर काफी क्लोज रहेगा तो हम लोग डिस्कस कर लेंगे. No one have any other doubt? Do it. Bring out the doubts fast. We have 20 minutes yet left in the class. Nine. Okay, then I'm stopping the sharing of screen. Okay. क्या हुआ दया? वीडियो ऑन कर रहे हो?
गर्ल्स
दयाशंकर? हाँ.
सर मिस्टेक
कोई बात नहीं, वीडियो ऑन रहना भी चाहिए ताकि हमको भी पता चले कि तुम ही हो और कोई नहीं है. Actually, we don't do that because of the data packages. हम लोग का डेटा पैकेजेस छोटा ना है और इसमें वीडियो ऑन करेंगे तो हो सकता है कि लास्ट तक में डेटा खत्म हो जाएगा. तो डेटा आपका नहीं जाएगा, वीडियो आ रहा है एकदम. किसी दिन हो जाता है कि 70-80% खत्म हो जाता है. Okay, nobody have any doubt? So should we close the class today? जल्दी बोलो. नहीं, जाना भी नहीं है, क्लास में बैठना है चुपचाप, है ना? अरे चुपचाप बैठेंगे तो मजा थोड़ी आएगा. कहानी ही सुनाओ कम से कम. प्राची कहानी अच्छा सुनाती है. प्राची?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell a story. No one have any doubt. At least you tell a story. नहीं, वो भी नहीं करना है. Okay then. Have a nice day and get prepared for the next class if you have. I'm closing the class. And still, if you have any doubt, unmute and talk. Unmute and talk. अगर doubt है तो अभी भी बोलो. No, I don't think anybody have any doubt. Okay then. Have a nice day.